In front of us here sits the Vuopax Vuopax 200-watt wireless Bluetooth speaker, and I can't wait to hear how this sounds. So let's get to it, shall we? All right. Let's check out the contents of the box. Right there, you got a aux cable, and then beside it is your fast Type-C USB cable, a user manual, of course, and your main speaker. Look at that beauty with the orange trim. So if I can have your attention to the back of the unit, and we just pop open that slot there, and I'll start from the left. You got your aux input, and then beside that is a USB and then a TF slot. And then there's the Type-C that is for your charger, and then beside it that I'm pointing to is your microphone input. All right, let's talk features, shall we? Like the 240 watts of peak power that is delivered by the dual 4-inch subwoofers that you can see here. I'll zoom in a bit. And the 1.2-inch tweeter. I can confirm from my sound test that this speaker's volume is insane. It's super powerful. I mean, it easily filled my large basement with a well-balanced sound. And with Bluetooth 5.4 connectivity and instant pairing, this speaker delivers ultra-stable wireless audio up to 100 feet with no dropouts. You can see behind me here that the speaker's LED light turns red when it's charging, and when it's fully charged, it will be green. This speaker has great battery life too, with 24 hours of total playtime. And it's IP65 waterproof and dustproof. So you're always ready for those spontaneous pool parties or other outdoor gatherings. Hey, wait up, guys. Also, with TWS or True Wireless Stereo, you can pair two Vuopax speakers in seconds and experience true left-right stereo separation. If you're like me, you enjoy a light show, and with a push of a button, you get 9 dynamic RGB light modes that sync, flash, and flow with the beat. It's pretty cool. Just check out a few of them right now. Overall, I found that the sound quality and the deep bass coming out of the speaker is really impressive. And we could see that on display in my sound test from a previous video. If you combine that with all the great features that we talked about earlier, like the super long battery life, 24 hours by the way, and it comes with a 12-month warranty, you really can't go wrong with this speaker. I hope you guys found this video informative and a little bit entertaining, and I hope to see you all in the next one. Bye for now.